This video is about fixing the DPF warning light when it comes on, or something like that. It shows up as a fault, and there's a fault code that comes up here telling you to get urgent attention for your car on the Volvo V70. And you'll usually find the car won't go over 3,000 revs. And I've tried all the tricks by putting the DPF fluid in, drove all the way back from Scotland, managed to get 80-90 mile an hour, but still wasn't going over those 3,000 revs. Now I managed to fix this quite cheaply and quite easily, and it turned off the maintenance light also. All I did was lift the engine, come into the engine bay. Now this little device, disconnect this pipe and run your engine. Run it for about 20 miles without the engine. You'll notice your revs will go back to normal, then put it back to normal and your car will return to normal and the lights will go off and it'll be revving normally. Hope that helps.